This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. On Cooper and One models, the coolant filler neck cap is located at the left-hand end of the engine. On Cooper S models, the expansion tank cap is located at the rear of the engine compartment. With the engine completely cold, cover the filler neck cap or expansion tank cap with a wad of rag and turn the cap slowly anti-clockwise to relieve the pressure in the cooling system. Note that a hissing sound may be heard. Wait until any pressure in the system is released, then continue to turn the cap until it can be removed. Position the jack head under the rubber block situated under the front door sill, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Position an axle stand under the rear of the front subframe to support the vehicle. Where fitted, remove the engine undershield. Place a suitable container beneath the radiator. Release the clamp and disconnect the lower hose from the radiator. Allow the coolant to drain into the container. Pull the hose downward a little to assist draining. Mop up any spilled coolant and remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Reconnect the lower coolant hose, secure it with the clamp, and refit the undershield. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Check the hoses are in good condition, then turn the ignition on and set the heater controls to maximum temperature with the fan speed set to low. This opens the heating valves. Using a funnel to reduce spillage, fill the system with a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water. Place a rag under the radiator top hose, then slacken the bleed screw. When bubble-free coolant emerges, tighten the bleed screw and remove the rag. Pull up the plastic cover from above the fuel injectors and slacken the bleed screw in the coolant pipe at the left-hand end of the cylinder head. As bubble-free coolant emerges, tighten the bleed screw. Press the plastic cover back down into position. Top up the coolant level if necessary, then securely refit the filler neck cap. Pull up the coolant reservoir cap and add coolant to bring the level up to the max mark. When the level is correct, mop up any spilled coolant and firmly close the reservoir cap. Don't forget to switch off the ignition. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it securely locked.